2016 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. We got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then the dreaded third cat. Then a flex pipe. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And what we put on it is a Magnaflow, part number 12867. Then put a Y pipe behind it, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there. And we'll have a link in the description for that muffler for you guys. And then 4-inch tips, rolled double wall, right there. He was going for the clean look. He didn't want it too loud, too big. He wanted a nice deep tone. That's what we did for him, right there. GMC Sierra. And this is the muffler and tailpipe we cut off, and resonator. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Give a guess. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know. I like it. Again. The sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. Go ahead and back it up. GMC Sierra. Let you guys hear on the inside. The 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8 Texas edition. It's got the factory converters there and there, then a third converter there. Then what we put on it is a single exhaust system with a Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 15430, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And we added a 3-inch pipe to make it fit. Left his resonator on there, and it's got a 4-inch angle cut or rolled edge tip right there, black. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado LT Flowmaster Outlaw. Sound decibels. We're probably right at 100. If he takes the resonator out, it'll get a little bit louder. What do you guys think? I think it sounds pretty good. What you guys hear on the inside? 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got an aftermarket converter on this side. It's got a factory converter there. We just put an aftermarket right there, Magnaflow. Then it duals into a single. Then we put it's still got the third converter there. Then it Y's in and goes into a cherry bomb. Single in, dual out. Part number 7427CB. Cherry bomb extreme muffler right there. Then 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side into some massive 5-inch roll tips there and there, because they look so good on these trucks and cars. And like always, guys, you'll find a link in this in the description for the tips. We'll have something like them and a link for the muffler right there. It's a Cherry Bomb Extreme. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It just keeps us going and keep getting you guys content. We appreciate it more than you know. Look at those 5-inch tips. Whoa, that sounds so good. That sounds really good. Cherry Bomb Extreme. This is the muffler and tailpipe we cut off in Resonator. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. Go almost. Go ahead, back it up. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. I love the look. Looks really beautiful. Those 5-inch black tips look really nice on this. That sounds sick. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck, lifted, got a Recon Tactical body kit on it. Really nice, fender flares, tires, all that good stuff. What we got done on it for them, it's got factory converters there, and there. Then there's a dreaded third cat. Then what we put is a Black Widow right there, Angry Housewife, or in his case, ex-angry housewife. Anyways, so we added that on there. You see that? Part number WIDBWAHW30-P. Then we had to add a Y pipe, and he had duals on it before with a floor with some kind of muffler. It's like a turbo muffler. He's like, I hate it. It wasn't loud enough for him. So we put up all these different mufflers on it, and he liked the Angry Housewife. Out of all of them. So there's and then we put also 5-inch strips on it, black, just to complete the look for them. Right there and right there. There's the old tips we cut off, and there's the old muffler we cut off. And that's what it looks like now. It looks a lot better. It fits those holes perfectly in And there'll be a link in the description for the Black Widow. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's a lot better. That's a nice tone. Go ahead. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. You can actually hear it now. Sound decibels. Again. 106 on it, that's perfect. It's not gonna drone or nothing. You see how the tips made it even deeper? 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's pouring down rain. Look what I do for you guys. Even in the rain, I still get you some videos. Discount muffler, can you hold, please? Thank you. That sounds so much better. I love the hood scoop, and it's a working hood scoop, so it's really nice. Look at that. That's really clean. I like that. Really good looking truck all the way around. It's the Recon Tactical Edition, I guess, kit and all that. There's so many different kits out there. This one's really cleanly done though. I like it. Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 beast. Really beautiful truck, lifted 3 inches, I guess. Nice big wheels, tires. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it had the regular 3-inch cat that we cut off, the third cat, and put a high flow in its place right there. It's got the original flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a vibrant bottle style muffler right there, and 2.5-inch tailpipe to get it a little bit deeper for them, into a 5-inch rolled black tip right there. You guys can see, came out really nice, really pretty. There it is. We put on a whole new tailpipe. We cut the muffler and the resonator and the tailpipe off, and we just threw them a new tailpipe on it. It looks better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's party. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's so deep. That vibrant never disappoints, man. They sound just such a deep tone it gives. Oh, that sounds so good. Again? Sound decibels, again. Right at 100. Yeah, it went up to even a 101. That black tip looks really good on it too. I'm glad I didn't go loud. Yeah. See, those videos help. Sounds so good on these. Wow. Especially with that third cat replacement, made a big difference. Let's guys hear on the inside. 5.3 liter beast. It's a nice truck. I like it. I like the bumper guard too. That's pretty cool. Tiger.